Creative packaging. We are using a toilet roll centre and something we had available. Use whatever you have available. Be creative. Measure the toilet roll centre and then measure the same distance on whatever you are using to cover it with. Next, measure the circumference of the toilet roll centre and draw a line. Cut along the line. We are using a sticky material, but alternatively it could be stuck using glue. Make sure everything is lined up correctly before gently sticking it down. Squeeze the ends together and bend them over as shown. Adding some tissue paper will make your container more attractive inside. We're packing these miniature crochet potted forget-me-nots. We'll be posting a tutorial on how to make them in the near future. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Some ribbon is great for that finishing touch. Running scissors along the ribbon will cause it to curl.